I'm going to make this piece into a gunnel. I apply heat to the Coroplast, and then I use the metal pipe to create a round shape for the gunnel. I removed the metal pipe and then replace it with a 1/2 inch diameter PVC pipe and see if it fits. I have to cut it so it will clear when it's put together. See, it's getting into the way, so I have to cut it. This is a 1/2 inch PVC pipe. I add a couple of here, and I'm going to cut a hole here and insert this one inside. I use the zip ties to close the side panels of the kayak, and then I insert in a 1/2 inch diameter PVC pipe as a cross beam. The strap pulling on the sides of the kayak prevented the plastic cross beam from coming out. As for the floor of the kayak, I use the same design as my Gen 23, which has an extended back to make the bowl more robust. I have to find a way to store this long piece of the floor. I can bend it and insert part of it into the slot here, and then try to make another bend. With this new change, I want to integrate the floor inside the kayak, and when I fold it, it will be stored inside the kayak. I have one less piece of the floor to handle in the assembly. My initial design is I close the bow this way and flip this one down, but then I messed up. I didn't pay attention and mess up the edge here. It doesn't look good. So I'm going to change the way the bow is being closed by just cut it and fuse it this way. It turned out the look is good also. In my last project, I used zip ties to secure the buckles, but with this design I used the plastic rivets, and it is very strong and very easy to implement. I do have a video showing you how to do it. Please check it out. Even though I have heat fused the bow and stern, but fusion doesn't give me 100% watertight result. Therefore, I still have to apply silicone to waterproofing the boat. I can stretch the inner tube of the bicycle and create a very good fit. Then I drill a hole on the plastic. I also used the zip tie to secure the rubber onto the bow and also on the stern. Inject in more silicone between the rubber and also the bow Then I use my finger to smooth out the bow and wait for it to dry. Once it's dried, it creates a very solid bow and stern covering. The water at the river is very cold, at 8 degrees Celsius, and the river is also very fast. To be very careful and not getting too far out to the main channel.
À, kéo đi ạ.
If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.